Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Sirvastava here, and in our today's video, we are going to solve complete Accenture examination question, which was conducted today, 20th of July 2023 at 10 a.m. So we are going to cover all the questions, even from the common application networking security. So I request all of you to watch the video till the end. Now let us start with the question number one, which is a question from number series. So we have 15, 22.5, 45, 112.5. Friends, before solving this question, you need to think a bit, okay? See, we cannot start directly adding, subtracting, multiplying and all, right? Okay, now, so if we'll try to see here, 15 ones are 15 and 15 twos are will be 30, right? So this is a in between number, okay? So let us see 15 into 1.5 will be what? So 15 ones are 15 and half of 15 will be 7.5. So it will give you 22.5. See, definitely practice are required for all these questions, right? But when you see this question, at least you should try to analyze. Now, then 22 into 2 will be what? 44, right? So here 22.5. So definitely it will give you 45. Now, here if you multiply by 2.5, right? So see, you can easily multiply 45 into 2 will be 90 and half of 45 will be 22.5, right? So this is nothing but 112.5, right? And the next will be nothing but multiplied by 3. So 3 fives are 15, okay, and 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7 and 33. So 333.7, 337.5 will be your correct answer, right? So friends, see, once you have the question, you have to think a bit, then only you proceed, because in examination 1 minute will be given to you and 1 minute you have to solve. Now most of you will waste your time in subtracting and then getting the answer. Okay, now question number two. So question number two is a good question. If in a certain code language we saved his life is 2534, we are eating is 236, then how would boys are playing be coded in the same code language? So here we have to identify the codes, right? Okay, so we saved his life 2534. So 2, how many digits are there? 2. Saved, how many digits are there? 1, I mean alphabets, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 alphabets. His, how many alphabets? 3. Life, how many alphabets? 4. So 2534, right? We are eating, so how many alphabets? 2. ARER, how many alphabets? 3. Eating, how many alphabets? 6. So 236. Same thing, boys, BOYS, 4 alphabets. Play, R is 3, okay, and then playing 7, so 437. So 437 will be the correct answer, right? Now question number 3, complete the comparison. So 676 is to Z. Okay, this is little blur, so you might not be able to see. And then 576, right? Okay. So friends, here basically, so 676, right? So 676 is nothing but 26 square. And 576 is nothing but 24 square, right? Okay. So friends, alphabet, right? So A, B, C, D. So A position is 1, B position is 2, C position is 3, D position is 4, and X, Y, Z. So 24, 25, and 26. So here 26 square, right, is 676, and 26 is nothing but the position of Z. So here 24 square is 576. So here it will be nothing but, my dear friends, the position of 20, I mean X. So X is 24, so here it will be X, and option B will become the correct answer, right? So see, all these questions are logical question, easy question. Accenture exam today was like, very easy. So I will not say it was difficult, it was very easy. So as I will be solving the questions, you will be able to understand that, right? Okay, now question number next. Identify the application from the given icon, right? Friends, everybody would have used this, right? So nowadays, most of us, right, so are using Google Assistant. So please call home, please call your girlfriend, please call your boyfriend, right? So everybody is using Google Assistant, right? To we don't want to go to contact and then type and call. So you can simply call your whomever you want, call your X, call your Y. So this is the Google Assistant icon. So this you should be easily able to do it, right? Okay, now, so friends, next question. So friends, before we go to question number next, I wanted to tell you friends, so I have started aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks workshop, and for all companies, and here you'll be getting the certificate also, and the price I have kept it very much nominal, 149 rupees, right? So basic to advanced level will be taught, recordings will be available, so if you miss any class, you will be getting the recording. IT and non-IT, so if you're preparing for any of the exam like TCS, Accenture, Wipro, Infosys, any exam, even upcoming examination, right? Capgemini, because we will be doing game-based aptitude also. So you can, the link will be in description. So you can enroll in these courses. This will definitely be very, very helpful. You will never regret. The price is just 149 rupees. Now, so complete the comparison. So Ganga, HBOHB, Indus, right? So friends, if you'll see, so G plus 1 will be H, then A plus 1 will be nothing but B, and N plus 1 will be O. Again, G plus 1 will be H, and A plus 1 will be B. So plus 1. So I plus 1 will be J, and right. And so only two options are starting with J. And then you check for the fourth letter. U plus 1 will be V. So JV, option B will be the correct answer. No need of checking all other. See, don't waste your time. See, in examination, the most important part is time, which you have to save. Because see, if you save question, if you save time here, you can spend that time in another question, right? So you will be having 90 minutes to solve 90 questions. So try to save as much as time possible, because time will play a very, very important role, right? Okay, now next question, we have 20, we have 100, we have 350, we have 700, and then we have what? Okay, friends, most of the students, we have done the solution wrongly in syllogism. So I will be solving the syllogism question in some time, so you can match your answer. Now friends, here what they have done, so here they have multiplied with 5, and then if you'll see, it is multiplied by 3.5, and then if it's multiplied by 2, so basically what is the series? 5 minus 1.5 is 3.5, right? Then 3.5 minus 1.5 is 2, and then 2 minus 1.5 will be nothing but zero point 0.5. So the next multiplication will be with 0.5. 0.5 is nothing but, my dear friends, 1 by 2. So 700 into 1 by 2 will be nothing but equal to 350. So 350 will become your answer, right? See, understanding the logic is very, very important. See, here it is multiplied by, how you will be able to understand? So here it is multiplied by 5. Here it is multiplied by 2, right? So that you will come to know that something is definitely getting subtracted, and that's how you will be able to get the logic. See, practice is very much required, my dear friends, for solving any kind of question, right? Okay, now, so again, we have one question, 41 here. So 41, 13, 9, 26, 18, 52, 36, and then what? Okay, now, so friends, here if we'll try to analyze, okay, so there are two series are going on. 13 into 2 is 26, 26 into 2 is 52, and next number will be 52 into 2 will be 104, right? Okay, now other series, 9 into 2 is 18, 18 into 2 is 36, and 36 into 2 will be 72, right? Anyway, they're asking you this particular number, so this will be nothing but option D, 104, right? So this will be 104, right? So friends, definitely, as I'm repeating again and again, so practice will only make you perfect here, right? Okay, so now let us try to solve question number 39. So friends, this kind of questions I definitely don't like, okay, because this will be like, very simple question. You have to play with the alphabet, bolt, WKIR, RGFP, and what will be the next number. So friends, basically if you'll see the BWR, okay, so I will write here, so MNOPQR. So basically all the alphabets you can write so that it will be easy for you. WXYZAB, okay. Now, so here W to B, so W 1 2 3 4 5, right? So basically plus 5 here, okay. Now, so R to W, so R to W 1 2 3 4, basically plus 5 here, okay. Now, so here also it will be plus 5. So 1 2 3 4, so this will be nothing but plus 5. So here it will come as M, right? Here it will come as N. And now if we'll see this last one, PQR plus 2, RST plus 2. So here also it will be nothing but MNO, right? So NOP plus 2. So here it will be N. So MN, first and last letter we have got it. So first and last letter is MN. Okay, so only one option you will be able to eliminate. Now, The second one, so O to K and F. Okay, so you'll have to go back. O, K, G. Okay, so we'll have to come like this. Okay, so A, B, C. Okay, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Right? Okay. So now K to O. So K to O, if you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is nothing but plus 4. And then G to K, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is nothing but plus 4. So every letter is different, like plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. So basically, if you'll see, so from this side it will be plus 2, from the last to last. See, this is plus 2, and then this is plus 3, and then this is plus 4, and then this is plus 5. That is the logic here. Okay. Now, so basically, here we have uh, G, right? So fine. So we are calculating for this. I'm sorry. So let us try here. Fine. So we left it in between. Yeah, plus 4, right? So plus 4, OKG. Now B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so C, D, E, F. So plus 4 is nothing but C. So here it will become C. Okay, now. And then here also it will become C. So MCCN. MCCN means option B will become the correct answer, right? So plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, and plus 5. You can also check it once. Okay. So this is the logic, and that's how you have to find it out, and you have to calculate. Now, next question. So next question is, this is one question, friends, which I had done in the studies videos also. So if you'll check it on our channel, so yesterday I had done this particular video, right? And here also I had done this question. So in MS Excel, which of the following function repeats text a number of times? So I could see there are many questions, which has been repeated. So let me show you. I remember I had done this. So where yeah, so see, this question yesterday I had done that, right? So in MS Excel, which of the following functions repeats text a number of times? So I had told you the REPT function is the next function that allows you to repeat a specific text string a specified number of times. This can be useful in various scenarios, such as creating patterns, filling cells with specific characters, or even generating simple data visualization, right? So this option B is the correct answer. So there are many questions which is repeated here, right? Okay, now, friends, in MS Excel, which of the following shortcut is used to select the entire row? So friends, it is shift plus space, and I will also show you if I have some example. Okay, so now, so this is my Excel. Now I will press shift and space. So when I am, shift and space will select the entire row, right? And column, if we talk about column, then control plus shift. So control plus shift will select the entire column, right? So now let us go, and yeah, fine. So where is, okay, so control plus space, this is entire column, this will select entire column, and this will select entire row. Okay, entire row. So option B will become the correct answer. Then, which of the following application have a conditional formatting option? So this only MS PowerPoint is having this conditional formatting options. Okay, now in MS Word, you can insert a page number. So friends, in MS Word, no, you can see, for everything I can show you one example. Okay, I have all the examples. I mean, see, basically I will take you to the Word file. I don't know, it is not opening. There is some problem. Where is it? Sorry, let me check. Okay, so this is my Word file. So now Word file, no, so you will be able to insert page number in both, so headers and footer, right? So in headers also you can select the page number. Okay, in sorry, where is it? Okay, so basically, like, if you'll try to see, there will be options will be there here. So page number, so see page number. So in headers also you will be able to select, and in footer also you will be able to select bottom of the page and top of the page, right? So you are able to see. So header also you will be able to select the page number, and bottom of the page, footer also you'll be able to select the page number, right? Okay, so here the answer will become both 1 and 2, both 1 and 2. That means header and footer will be selected in both 1 and 2. Now, next question. So next, friend, syllogism question is there, and see, many of students will do the mistake here itself. So this topic is a very, very interesting topic. So let us try to understand. I will try to explain you. Okay, friends, before that, so whenever you are going to solve syllogism question, one thing you always keep in mind: if relation has not been given, okay, so if relation has not been given, then we cannot comment anything about that. Okay, now sir, what is this? Okay, let us understand once more. So friends, suppose my name is Pratik, okay, and here suppose one name is Garima. Now if I'll ask you what is the relation between Pratik and Garima, friends, you can say husband wife, you can say brother sister, you can say cousins, you can say friends. See, there can be anything, there can be anything, because I have not told you in the statement, I have not told you what is the relation between them. Okay, so I have not told you anything about them, and when I'm asking, you should directly mark it false, because no relation has been given. If this you understand, no, then half of your syllogism will become very very easy. Now let us see. So some chairs are sofas. So some chairs, right? So some chairs are sofas. Very good. Some chairs are sofas. Okay. And all sofas are bed. So all these sofas are bed. All these sofas are bed. Okay. Now they are telling all couch are bed. All couch are bed. Okay. Now, friends, so you can also note down here. You can also note down here. So see, this couch and sofa, have they given any relation here? We draw a diagram, but they have not given any relation between couch and sofa. Couch and sofa, they have not given any relation. So in conclusion, if they will ask, I will tell I don't know, right? See, again, in between chairs, in between chairs, in between chairs and couch, they have given any relation? No, they have not given, right? So if they have not given any relation, they should not ask us, right? They should not ask us. Fine. Okay, now, so let us start using the conclusion now. Some couch or sofa. Couch and sofa, hey, you have not given any relation between them. How can you ask me, man? How can you ask me? You have not given any relation between them. Don't ask me. It is false. Some beds are sofa. Now, beds and sofa we will see. So, bed is here and sofa is here, right? So, this is your bed and this is your sofa, right? So, bed and this is your sofa, right? So, definitely, so bed and sofa are crossing each other. So, you can say some beds are sofas. See, all sofas are bed. So, when you say all A or B, this also you see once, which I have already explained you in my previous video. So if you say all A or B, if you say all A or B, then you can say, see, all part of A or B, then definitely some part of A or B. See, when all A or B, then definitely some part is also B. And see, you can say some B or A. You cannot say all B or A. What is the reason? Because the outside part of B, where it is, we don't know. So we can only say some B or A. So here you are saying all sofas are bed, then you can say some beds are sofa. You can also say some sofas are bed. So this is true. Now some beds are chair. Some beds are chair. So yes, so this is your chair and this is your bed. Both are crossing each other. Some part of chair is in bed, some part of bed is in chair. So this also follows, right? So only conclusion 2 and 3 follows. Option A will become the correct answer, right? Okay. Next is some marigold are flowers. Very good. So some marigolds are flowers. So this is marigold and this is flowers. Some marigolds are flowers and all flowers are plants. And all flowers are plants. All flowers are plants and some plants are leaf. And some plants are leaf. Okay, now friends, one thing again we will find out what relation has not been given. Okay, so what relation has not been given, we will try to find it out. So this marigold, right? So marigold and leaf, this relation they have not given, right? See, they have not talked anything about a marigold and leaf together in the statement, right? See, all marigold are, some marigold are flower, all flower are plant, some plants are leaf. They have talked about plant and leaf, but they have not talked about flower or marigold, both of the relation with leaves. So in question, if they ask us, so by is there any relation between marigold and flower, I will say completely false. Okay, now, so some plants are marigold. So let us see the first conclusion. Some plants are marigold. Where is marigold? So marigold is this. And where is plants? Plant is this. So definitely they are crossing each other. So first conclusion will become true. Some leaves are flower. Leaves and flower. Hey, you have not given any relation in the statement, and now you're asking me in conclusion. Get lost. This will be completely false. You have not given the relation. You don't have any rights to ask me any question with leaves and flower in the conclusion, right? So get lost from here. This will be completely false. Now, no marigold is a leaf. Okay, so no marigold is a leaf. So again, marigold and leaves, no, no. I told you, you have not given the relation between flower and marigold with leaves. Then please Don't ask me in the conclusion. I will not even read that. Okay, I will read only when either or is there in the option. Only when either or is there in the option, then only I will read. Otherwise I'm not going to read also, because there is no relation. So like Pratik and Garima, what is the relation? You can't say because I have not told you anything in the statement. Please try to understand, syllogism is very very simple, but as well as it is tricky. If your basic concept is clear, which I am covering in this particular class, man. So in this particular, right? So in this particular aptitude and reasoning class, I am covering syllogism in very much detail. So any exam you are going to write, please make sure that one marks also counts. Okay, so please join the classes. And 149 rupees per day, even 10 rupees, 15 rupees. So one tea will cost you 20 rupees nowadays, right? Okay, and if you go to MBA Chaiwala or BBA Chaiwala or BTech Chaiwali, then it will be some 40, 50 rupees, right? So in 10 15 rupees you are getting so much of information, right? Okay, so this is clear. So only conclusion one follows, option D will be the correct answer. Okay, fine. Next, so next is this is a box question. So basically box number is given, value is given, right? And from here it is starting, and they're asking what will be the remaining value in box 2 at the end of the flow chart. So let us just start with the flow chart. So L, now L is add value in so value in box 2, value in box 2 is 25 plus value in box 9, value in box 9 is nothing but 18. So 25 plus 18 will be 43, and place the result in box 2. So now box 2 will become 43. Okay, now box 2 will become 43. Fine. Then M is, now let us come down. So is value in box 4, value in box 4 is 40, is lesser than value in box 5, box 5 50. No, it is not lesser than. So, okay, if it is false, then come to the end, then come to the end. Okay, now we have come to the end of the flow chart. Okay, now so what will be the remaining value in the box 2 at the end of the flow chart? So at the end of the flow chart it is 43, because from here we have directly exited, right? From here we have directly exited, so option B will become the correct answer, which is 43. Now, so what will be the difference between values of box 2 and box 6 at the end of the flow chart? Anyway, box 6 we are not going to replace it. Okay, so box 2 is nothing but, box 2 we have received is 43, and box 6 is nothing but 30. So the value will become, the difference will become 43. Option B will become the correct answer, right? Friends, all this question can be easily solved within 1 minute. Okay, now so in a certain code language, GMAT, so in a certain code language GMAT is coded as 41, then we have to code for CMAT. Okay, now so friends, G, so if you remember EJOT, yesterday I had told you in the video. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So if you remember EJOT, you can easily write the code. See, T is nothing but 20. A is the first letter, so 1. M, so O is 15. So N will be 15 and M will be 13. Okay. So this much is 21 plus 34, right? And this G will be nothing but 7. So 34 plus 7 will be 41, right? So basically this is nothing but addition of GMAT. So CMAT, MAT is what? 34. And what is C? C is nothing but 3. So position of C, so 37. So 37 will be the correct answer. Option C will become the correct answer for question number 36, right? Okay, now again question number 24, I have put one more syllogism question. So some giraffes are tall. So some giraffes are talls. Some giraffes are talls. No tall is a donkey. So no tall is a donkey. No tall is a donkey. So donkey and tall, there is no relation. And all white are donkeys. And all white are donkeys. Now, so what all relation has not been given? Please write down here. So the relation with giraffe, okay? The relation with giraffe with donkey and white has not been given. So now, if in conclusion, if you are going to ask me giraffe relation with donkey and white, I will slap you and I will put false. Okay, so let us see. Some giraffes are donkey, I said you right. You have not given the relation, please don't ask me. Some white are giraffes, I told you giraffes and white, you have not given the relation, please don't ask me. Some white are tall, so some white are tall, right? So see, basically this tall does not have any relation with donkey, and white is inside. When the tall does not have any relation with donkey, then how come they will have relation with white? See, if I don't have any relation with your father, then how can I have a relation with the father daughter, right? Because see, if I don't know, I mean, this might not be a very good example, but I mean, let us think. So if I know your father, I might be knowing you, father daughter, father son, everyone. But if I don't know if the tall does not have a relation with donkey itself, then how the tall will have a relation with white? So this also gone. So that means none of the conclusion follows. Option B will become the correct answer, right? So this is syllogism, man. It's very interesting topic actually. Now, so friends, when either or is given, then this relation, no, you have to be little careful. Anyway, we'll understand. So all glasses are mugs. So all the glasses are mugs, and no mug is a jug, and no mug is a jug. So mug and jug, there is no relation. All jugs are bowls. All jugs are bowls. Okay. All jugs are bowls. Okay. Now, friends, what is not given to you? So this mug and jug relation with relation with this bowl is not given. Now, in question, please, in conclusion, please don't ask. If you are asking, I will mark it false. But in option, I will check if either is there. Then we have to look at the either or cases as well. Now, the first thing. Now, the first conclusion. So no glass is a jug. So friends, you see here, let me choose other pen. So this is mug, right? So the mug relation, so mug does not have any relation with jug, right? Here clearly told, no mug is a jug. If mug does not have any relation with jug, then G is inside, then definitely G will also not have any relation with jug. If father only does not have any relation with J, then daughter or son also will not have any relation with J, right? So this will become true. This will become true. Now, some bowls are jug. Some bowls are jug. So where is bowl? So if you are saying all A are B, then you can say some B are A. So this is true. Some mugs are glasses. If you are telling all glasses are mugs, then you can say some mugs are glasses. Now some glasses are jug. No, some glasses will not be jug, because mug only does not have any relation with jug. Then glasses will not have any relation with jug. Okay. Now, so here either or condition will not come in picture. So only conclusion 1, 2, and 3 follows, because the first statement is becoming true. Now I will take one class on either or, friends, if you guys want. Okay. So basically, in this particular aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks workshop only, I will take it, don't worry. Okay. So if you want to join, please do join, and all those things we are going to cover in very much detail, so that syllogism question in your whole life you will not be able to do it wrongly. Okay. Now, question number 40. So let us see question number 40, what is happening. So mark the question that most logically completes the following sequence. Okay. Now, so friends, what has happened? So this arrow, if you'll see, so first we'll try to analyze this arrow. So arrow is moving clockwise 90 degree, clockwise 90 degree, clockwise 90 degree. So it is here, then it is here, then it is here. Then in the next diagram, definitely this will be this side. Okay. This will be this side. So all the 4 diagram has it, no problem. Okay. Now, friends, here in the first diagram, you see we have the open dots, right? Then we have the open dots. Okay. So in 2 diagram open dots, then in 2 diagram we'll be having this closed or bold dots. Okay. So in this diagram we are going to have the bold dots. So bold dots we are going to have it. Okay. Now, so definitely option A and option C is gone. Option A and option C is gone. Okay. Now if we try to analyze, so this particular portion was outside. In the next diagram, it went outside. Here again, it is outside. So in the next diagram, it will be inside. Okay. So next diagram inside. So we have only 2 options. So definitely option B will become the correct answer, because in the next diagram, it is inside. Okay. Right. So are you able to figure it out? Are you able to figure it out? So option B will become the correct answer for this particular problem, right? So you can see in one diagram it is opposite, other diagram it is in the same direction. Okay. So option B is the correct answer. Now find the missing terms here. 41, 85, 145 watt, and then 313. So here take the difference. 516, sorry, 514 and 8 minus 4 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. 14 minus 8 is 60. So 44, 60. Next we will try with what is the difference? 16. So next we will try with the difference 16. So 145 plus 76, 6 5 11, 21 plus 2 is 221. Is there 221 in the option? Yes, this might be the answer. Let us try. So here and then next. So next difference would be 16 means 6 6 12 92. So let us see. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 2 is 9. Yes, 92, it is correct, right? So the missing number will become 221. Option B will become the correct answer, right? Okay. Now, friends, next question. So next question we have complete the comparison. 424 what will be equal to 120. So this is again one of the easy questions. So I would like you to solve. So this will be a homework, and please put your answer in the comment section. Okay, please put your answer in the comment section, and let us see how many of you are able to solve, right? So let us move to the next question. So we will be solving all the good questions here. So which of the following is not a operating system? Okay, now, so when this option D is nothing but Microsoft Edge. Okay, Microsoft Edge. Okay, it is little bit hidden here. Now, so friends, Android is a operating system which runs on your mobile. Okay, Unix. So Unix is a operating system. So you might have heard about Linux. So it runs on laptop. Okay, so it runs on laptop. Like we have, see, operating system. So how many operating system we have? So we have Unix, we have Windows, right? We have Windows for laptop, and then we have on Apple laptop, right? So on Apple laptop like MacBook, so we will be having Macintosh, right? So Android is operating system, runs on mobile. Unix is operating system, runs on laptop. Macintosh is a operating system which runs on Apple laptop, and Microsoft Edge is a browser. Okay, so Microsoft Edge is a browser, like how we have the Google Chrome, right? So like how you are seeing Google Chrome, in the similar way we have Microsoft Edge. Okay, Microsoft Edge, you can also see here. So this is the icon. Okay, get to know about Microsoft Edge, right? So this, okay, 1 minute. So this is a browser. Anyway, you will be able to get that. So download Edge, and this is how it will open. So this image you can see, right? So this is a browser. Okay, so the option D will become the correct answer. So Microsoft Edge is not a operating system. Okay, now common application and MS Office. So find the odd one out. So here we have to find out odd one out. So WinZip. So WinZip will be used to compress the file size. Compress the file size. Like suppose if you have 2 GB of file, and if you use WinZip, then it might reduce to 1.5 GB or 1 GB, something like that. 7-zip is also used for zipping the file. WinRAR is also used to zipping the file to reducing or compressing the size. Windows is a operating system, right? So Windows is a operating system. So definitely this is a odd one out. So option C will become the correct answer. Now, while composing an email using Gmail, which of the following is used to insert file using Drive? So friends, this Google Drive, no, right? So Google Drive. So Google Drive icon will be like this. Okay, so always remember, so it will be somewhat like this. Okay, so Google Drive icon will be somewhat like this. So here you can see option 5. Okay, option A, that means fifth one. See, if you want to select a document, okay, if you want to select a document from your laptop, many people have answered this. So if you want to select a document from your laptop, okay, then you will be laptop means like desktop. If you have put it somewhere, if in download folder, if it is there, then you will be able to use this. Okay, now if you want to select the file from Google Drive, then you have to use this particular option. Which of the following sign indicates computer setting? Friends, the first one indicates Wi-Fi setting. The second one indicates airplane mode setting. The third one I'm not very sure about that, and the fourth one is nothing but settings. Okay, so the option is hidden. You have to, here from here you have to select. So the fourth one is the correct answer. This is a computer setting icons, right? Friend, this is again your homework, because this is just have to find out the next missing number, and which you will be able to do. So I would like you to first solve it. I mean, don't take it very lightly. Please solve and let us know your answer in the comment section. Next, mark the odd one out. So we have 15. So similar question we have done in the beginning. 45, 112, 337.5, and 1181.5, right? So this is multiplied by 2. 22 into 2 is 44. So 22.5 into 2 will be 45, right? And this will be nothing but 1.5. Okay, and this is nothing but this would be nothing but 2.5, right? So 45 into 2.5. 45 into 2 will be 90, and half of 45 is 22.5. So 112.5, but here it is mentioned 112. So this is where is the problem, right? So mark the on odd one out. So option A will be odd one out. Okay, now 240 to 254 is the first octet value range for which of the following class of IP address? So that is nothing but the class E. That is nothing but the class E. So option C will be the correct answer. Okay, now friends, in this particular diagram, if we'll try to see, try to analyze what is happening, then two triangle and one circle. So let us focus on this middle part. Okay, now so this in middle one we have circle. So circle has come out, and here we have triangle. So triangle has gone inside. Okay, and this bold one is middle one only is the bold one, right? Okay, now so here what will happen, friends? So in this diagram, and outside has been turned ulta. So outside has been turned ulta. Every figure has it, right? Okay, now friends, so you middle one is what? Triangle. So middle one will come outside, okay, and then the circle will go inside. So similar kind of diagram, and definitely this will be this it will persist, right? So this it will persist, okay. So similar kind of diagram you search. So similar kind of diagram, this triangle will be up and down, that doesn't matter. So that is in option C, right? So that is in option C. So option C will become the correct answer. Now find the missing terms here. So this already we have done in the first question. Okay, now find the missing term here. 174, 201, 230, 261, and 329. Now if we'll take the difference here, 7, 2, difference 29, difference 31. So next difference will be 33. So 134, 639, 294. Is there any option? Option C. So option C is the correct answer. And then the next difference will be definitely 35, right? So 9 and 5, 14. I'm sorry, 4, 5, 9, 9, 3, 12, and 2 plus 1, 3, correct. So option C will be the correct answer. So this is the end of this questions which we have done here. So we have covered a lot of question, and I hope this will give you a complete confidence to write Accenture examination. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best, my dear friends. Do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.